Today is March 25th, 2020. Bryson, what happened?
We just closed on our very first home.
Nice.
What is this?
I'm filming the basement to track our progress.
Nice.
As you can see behind me, this is the very beginning of a very exciting basement apartment. I'm gonna start with that monster back there. I'm about to reassemble all the cabinets and put everything back together to see how it all looks. Plumbing also starts today and our electric starts Saturday. Okay, painting is completed. Working on this today, going to be putting up a beadboard accent wall. I'm using this leftover beadboard from that wall project to make a backsplash. Beam is going up. I'm helping big time, as you can see. Big oopsie right there.
And you're gonna cut here.
But I guess that's just part of the game.